Hello guys, it's Friday, 4 p.m. and we went to Nicosia because we wanted to pick up our our passports. That we received a notification that they are ready, so we called in the call center in the morning and asked if they're working, and they said yes. And then we came, and they have like a paper on the door that says they're not working Thursday and Friday this week, because yesterday was a public holiday, but today it's not. And we drive for 1.5 hour there. Cool. Okay, but the good part is that we went to IKEA and bought some stuff. Andrew bought himself some stuff for his table to sort it, and I also bought those things to put the files with paper that I told you about, I think in one of the past videos. Where is it? Here. This one. There are 2 of those, and you can put the folders like that. Also, I bought a little stool, like chair, for my makeup corner, and I'm going to ask Andrew to hang the mirror. So now it looks like this, and I want to turn it like towards this wall, because it's very hard to put the mirror on this wall. So we're gonna turn it, we're gonna put the mirror here, I'm gonna turn this thing, and I'm gonna put the chair in there. I'm gonna show you, of course. And also I bought a new lamp for this place, so it's going to be brighter for me to make makeup here. Cool. And what we bought for Andrew's table is this thing. It looks like this white one, and it goes on the side. I will show you when he will install it. And this box here, it has some departments inside, closes, and you can put some stuff on top of it, which is also nice. Also, we bought a metal tray for him to put the coffee and so the kettle with coffee and the cup itself. I don't think there's anything. I also bought a new like metal stand. I have already some of those, but I bought another one to put my plants outside, because they're standing on the table, and the table is not really used. We don't really use this as a table, so yeah. Look guys, I cleaned our terrace with actually I cleaned it with a vacuum cleaner, because our Kercher vacuum cleaner works the other way around as well. So you can put this thing in the hole, not the hole that we usually use, but the behind hole, and it will blow the stuff. So I blowed it, and then I took basically I put it all away. And we made this metal shelves, and this is how my flowers now looks here. I love it. It's very nice. And also this is normal, because it's gonna sleep very soon. It's going for sleep. This is not normal, but I don't know what is happening. Yeah, but in general it looks really nice. And now the table is not it's free basically, and we can put like a tablecloth on top of it and use it as a table when it's not so hot outside. So I'm planning to get ready for the evening by my makeup table, try new curler a bit. I don't know how it's going to be in the end, but we'll see. So guys, this is Andrew's table after he installed, not really, these shelves, side shelves, I would name it. The box is here with his notebook, and we also put the files folder, I don't know how it calls, but this is it. And those the folders that I sorted, and I bought some more. Also, it didn't work with to put this thing the other way because there's not enough space in here. But what I did is, what we did basically, we put it on this wall still, and I've put a chair in here, so I can put it like this, and I can sit, and here we go. And I have a lot of light here now, because before the lamp it gave no light at all, I would say. And I also got myself a new, very cheap hair curler to make curls, basically. It costs like 20 euros. I remember my grandma has something like that, and I used it when I stayed at her place, and has lots of paper inside. Yeah, here you go. I wonder how my hair would This is a ceramic sink here, and it has a plastic tip, so you don't burn your fingers when you do that. It's Roventa. Yeah, simple sink, and I think it should make it work. It's work. So it's also gonna live here, and I might try to use it today because I'm going for dancing with a friend of mine in the evening. I'm going to the city, so I might try to make curls. Of course, I'm not going to just make curls and leave them like that. I want to make and brush them so they are like waves. We will see if that will happen. So guys, I'm not going to take a camera with me, so I wanted to show you. I'm gonna be wearing white jeans, my favorite top. I put a black top underneath because, sometimes it goes away and I'm gonna be dancing, so I don't need this kind of stuff happening to me. I really, really, really like how it turned. How my hair looks like. Look. How my hair just look. Love it. It's very messy, still curly, and very nice. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Okay, I need to hurry actually because I think I'm already late. Hello guys, It's Saturday evening already, and I made my curls again today in the morning, and it was very sweaty, so some of them are broken already. Why I'm here is because I had a really nice evening yesterday. We danced a lot with the friends, and yeah, it was amazing. And today I went to the ladies meeting that I have on Saturdays usually. It was very, very nice. We were talking about the like self-esteem, like what do you think about yourself, what helps you to think better of yourself, and this kind of stuff. And we went grocery shopping, so I'm gonna show you what we bought. A pack of eggs, 30. Then milk. It's like a puzzle to put everything in the fridge, right? Oof. Ice cream, very, very nice one. I don't know if you have this at your country or city. It's Magnum Double Caramel. All right. Philadelphia cheese. Cauliflower. Then, tomatoes. Okay, I'm not gonna do this now. I don't know how it calls. Herring's fillet. It's all in Russian, and that's what we usually eat in Russia. Butter. Bottle of red wine, local, very good one. It's from Kiperunta winery. We were there one time with Andrew and my mom. Then I got myself sugar-free sodas. Salami. For those small frozen pizzas, I'm gonna show you. I showed you already, but I'm gonna show you because I got a new pack. Kefir that we drink almost every day. Candies for myself, Russian ones. New tea, English breakfast. Frozen pizzas, local ones, very nice ones. So small, there's 4 of them in here. Frozen bread. What else? Honey. Coconut oil, bananas, of course, local bananas, cheese to add to this frozen pizza, then mushrooms. We're gonna make mushrooms with potatoes and with beef for the evening today. This piece of smoked cheese, cream. No, it's not cream. It's oh my God, what happened with me? It's yogurt. It's yogurt. And there's a bunch of potatoes because we're gonna cook also potatoes with beef for the upcoming week for lunches. This is the beef. That's it. For the breakfast, we still have a sweet serniki that I made last week, and it's gonna be enough for us. And yeah. Hello guys, it's Sunday, and yeah, recently I started to make little bouquets in the vases, and I'm putting it around the house. For the last several days all the flower shops are closed, and yeah, we went just like outside in our village and collected some stuff, you know. It's very hot here, so we can't find flowers, and we found like something here, some, I don't know, wild tomatoes, this, and some dried flowers, and I don't know, like fruits. So yeah, it looks actually pretty nice. This one, like this. And these are all the flowers that I got in the vases, and now I was thinking that I might also get some parts of the jasmine trees that we have here and create something out of it. Something. Oh, and got myself a sugar-free drink. Guys, my camera died at some point while I was making those little bouquets. I wasn't really happy about them because yeah, there was not really enough material, and basically it's okay. It's the first time. I really like how the olive looks like, but I need more, and we just took like 2 small branches. The jasmine worked pretty, like the one that I took to my room looks like this. It's like some jasmine from some needle tree, yeah, and a bit of olive. It looks pretty nice. Maybe the flowers will open up and it's gonna be nice. So yeah, Andrew went to his mechanic and he tested his Jeep, and he's very happy, and it might be that tomorrow he will get it and we will finally have 2 cars to drive with. Yay! I don't know, that's it. We're gonna have a dinner pretty soon and just rest. It's Sunday, the day of the sun. We're gonna rest and prepare for the new week. And yeah, I wanted to say goodbye to you actually. I'm gonna see you very soon in the next video. Bye.